Hi, Room 15. So today we are going to explore the greedy triangle. So you're going to be focusing on triangles today. So it's Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. So our learning target today is we can recognize and draw shapes having specified attributes, and we can identify triangles and describe attributes of a triangle. So we're going to review what attributes are. Attributes are how we sort and classify different shapes. So the attributes of 2D shapes are sides and vertices. So an attribute is basically like a characteristic of something, and it's how what you use to describe that object or whatever your topic is. So our topic is 2D shapes, specifically triangles. So we're going to use sides, which are straight lines, and then vertices, which is where two sides meet. We can also call vertices corners. So remember, we are focusing on 2D shapes, which are flat shapes. So remember, a triangle is a two-dimensional flat shape with three sides, okay? So as you can see, there's all these triangles have three sides. Okay, so today what you're going to be doing on Seesaw is your activity that you're going to be doing is triangle draw. Okay, so you'll find this in activities, and then this is triangle draw. Okay, so here are the directions. So you can actually play the directions. So today you are doing triangle draw. So you are going to be practicing drawing 4 different triangles on a geoboard, and then you're going to be drawing those triangles on your triangle draw worksheet. First thing you need to do is you need to use the digital geoboard from the website that is in the directions. So the website is apps.mathlearningcenter.org/geoboard/. So you're going to go to that website, and you probably want to open it in a new tab in your web browser. Then you're going to go back to Seesaw and click the Add button. Then use the drawing tool to draw 4 different triangles on the triangle draw worksheet. Okay, so first you want to do it on the digital geoboard, and then you need to go back to your triangle draw worksheet in Seesaw and draw it with the drawing tool. Okay, so you need to do that 4 different times so that you have a total of 4 triangles. Okay, you don't have to color in the triangles, and when you're done, you need to click the check to submit your assignment. Okay, so what you're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to assign activity. Oh, no, sorry, that's me. You're going to add response. So I'm just going to use a sample student. Okay, so here's the worksheet that you're going to do. And remember, you can always go back to the directions if you don't remember what to do. So right here is that website that I was talking about. Okay, so what you can do is you can go right here, and then you can just click on it, and it should open up in a new tab for you. So if I do that, it'll open up in a new tab. Okay, so this is the geoboard that I'm talking about. This is how you use the geoboard. Okay, so these are rubber bands at the bottom. You can choose any color you want. It doesn't really matter. You're gonna grab one. And then these white things are like the pegs. So these white things actually match the worksheet right here. Okay? So you are going to create a triangle any size or shape. I mean, not shape, but any length. So the sides can be long like this. Now, in order to grab it, to pull it, you have to kind of pull in the center. Okay, and you can go anywhere you want. Okay, you can pull it down here. And remember, a triangle has 3 sides. So I have 1, 2, 3. And then my vertices are 1, 2, oopsies, and 3. Okay, so if I pulled like this would not be a triangle because as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and we do not want 4 sides. Okay, so let me delete that. So now the way you fix this is if you accidentally do something, if you accidentally make 4 sides on your triangle, then all you do is you go to one of the edges and you pull it, give me 1 second. You pull it back up to one of the edges. So let me show you that one more time. Let's say you accidentally do this. You're going to take this vertice and you're just going to pull it back to an edge. You always want to make sure your triangle has 4 sides and 3 sides, and 3 vertices. So I can also change it to look like that, or I can make it really small. This is also another triangle. So as you can see, I'm trying to make different shaped triangles. Okay, so let's say that this is the triangle that I'm going to choose. So you need to make sure that this triangle matches what you're going to draw. So see these pegs, you want to match the pegs. So as you can see, there are rows. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm in the last row of the pegs, but I'm 1 in from the left side. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to use the drawing tool. You can use whatever drawing tool you want. Maybe I'll choose red to match. Okay, and I'm going to be up here. So I need to start right here, and then I'm going to go back to my geoboard, and the next peg is the second row and the first one on the left-hand side. So I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to draw it. I need to go back, and I'm all the way over there. Okay, so the peg is all the way over here. And then it doesn't have to be super straight. Just try your best. As you can see, my lines are a little bit crooked. Okay, if you don't like that, like I'm going to fix that. You just need to use the erase tool. Go back to click on that tool. And then I'm going to redraw it to make it a little bit straighter. Okay, so as long as you try your best and as long as you have 3 sides and 3 vertices, then that is totally fine. Okay, so I'm going to do another triangle. So I'm going to click the trash button at the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to use green this time. I'm going to start up here. Oh, remember, you need to drag the rubber band in here. And I think I'm going to make a triangle that looks like that. Okay, so remember, I need to match the peg. So I'm in the top row, that second one from the right, and same thing on that second row. So I'm going to go here. You can match the color of the rubber band if you want. So I'm going to draw a straight line like that. And then my last peg is the third one in that left-hand side. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to try to draw as straight as possible. Just trying our best always. Okay? So you're going to do that 2 more times. You can draw any shaped triangles you want as long as you have 3 sides and 3 vertices. So when you're done, you need to click the check button. All right, Moon 15, have a great day.